So get some design work for free, some marketing design work. And there's free custom inspection business logo design services. You click the link and it goes to the logos. We saw this video earlier of Levi designing a logo by hand, and it goes into an illustration software. And that logo and any of the design work that we produce for you, that can be blown up as big as you want. It could be on a billboard, it could be wrapped around a truck, and without any loss of resolution. And there are the logos. That's a great logo. That's an awesome logo. These are fantastic. You can go down and scroll down and find logos that you like. I love that one. And find that you don't like, and compare what your idea is to other inspectors' ideas of logos. These are all very different. Really good. Look at that sparrow. And then there's a strong tower inspections. These are really nice. So visit this page and look at the designed logos. You can look at the business brochures that the marketing team has designed and go through some examples of brochures. And these are all the brochures that they've done. Really nice. Let's take a look at that one. I like that. Guardian Property Inspections. That's a nice logo. Take a look at the flyer design. That's a nice flyer. You can customize flyers as well. Inspection Business rack cards. Take a look at the rack cards. There's your rack card portfolio. And that's a good picture. Nice logo. And other rack cards. I like this one, Space Explorations. So click the link and decide, make a decision right now to get some design work done for you for free as an InterNACHI benefit.